Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 9, how are you? I hope you are all well. This is Jannat Miss. Welcome back to the online class. On my previous lecture, I gave you some homeworks to do. The topic, question answer, and also MCQ from the Shat Gambuj Mosque, Unit 8, Lesson 1. I hope you have done your homeworks. Today I am going to give you the solution of MCQ and question answer. This is lecture number 3 on the Shat Gambuj Mosque. So check your answer with this solution. Multiple choice questions A to R were given. So let's get started with the MCQ. The solution is given here. Number A, heritage means, option number 4 is correct one, that we get from the past, enjoy in the present and convey to the future. Then number B, the word habitable stands for, option number 2 is the correct answer, fit for human habitation. Other options like liable means responsible, so this is not the correct one. Then live on means to survive by consuming a certain thing. Then option number 4, uninhabitable, which means not suitable for human living, so the correct answer is fit for human habitation. Then number C, which of the following describes Khanjan Ali best? Among these options, number 3 is the correct one. Philanthropic, it means a person who is concerned with people's welfare. Philanthropic বলা হয় তাদেরকে যারা হচ্ছেন জনগণের কল্যাণের জন্য কাজ করেন বা চিন্তা করেন, জনগণের উন্নয়নের জন্য চিন্তা করেন, তাহলে এটাই হচ্ছে বেস্ট ওয়ান. Others are not the correct answer. Then number D, the original name of the city of Shat Gambuj Mosque is Khalifatabad. Number E, the planning of the city is dominated by, option number 2, Islamic architecture. How many pillars are found inside the mosque? There are 60 pillars inside the mosque, so the first option 60 is correct. Number G, which of the following statement is true about Shat Gambuj Mosque? Option number C, the Shat Gambuj Mosque has 77 Gambuj. This is the correct one. Actually there are 60 pillars and 77 low height domes, so this one is option 3 is the correct answer. Then extra questions. Number H, what does our cultural and natural heritage signify? We know it signifies our life and inspiration, so this is the option number 1. This is the correct answer, our life and inspiration. Number I, which of the following sentence is correct? The city was founded with an Islamic architecture. People from different community lived in Khalifatabad. Mughal skills is everywhere in the mosque. UNESCO has enhanced the mosque's attraction. Among these options, first one is the correct one. The city was founded with an Islamic architecture. Then number J, which of the following has made the Shat Gambuj Mosque the most significant? We know that it is the World Heritage Site, one of the UNESCO's World Heritage Site, so this actually makes the mosque most significant, so the option number 2 is correct. It's being World Heritage Site. Then number K, Khanjan originally came from Turkey. As we know that he was a Turkish general and also a saint, so a person who is Turkish comes from Turkey, so number 3, Turkey is the correct answer. Number L, the main purpose of the author of this passage is to represent Shat Gambuj Mosque built by Khanjan Ali. Other options like to show the heroism of Khan Jahan Ali? No, here is nothing like heroism, war, no description is given here. Then to show the infrastructure of Bagherhat district is not also shown here. Then to introduce Khan Jahan Ali to the readers, this is not also correct as the passage is solely focused on the Shat Gambuj Mosque. So this is the correct option number 3, to represent Shat Gambuj Mosque built by Khan Jahan Ali. Number M, how is the prayer hall? The prayer hall has 25 doors for light and ventilation. It is decorated with many domes. Prayer hall is nicely adorned with 60 pillars. The arches are horizontal. Among these options, the first one is the description of the prayer hall. The prayer hall has 25 doors for light and ventilation. Now, how does the 25 doors come? Actually, from the reading we know that there are 11 doors on the east and 7 each on the north as well as south. So if we add these numbers, 11 plus 7 plus 7, total 25. So 25 doors for light and ventilation is the correct answer. Then number N. In paragraph 3, the author says the planning of the city was distinctly dominated by Islamic architecture. What does the author mean by this? Among these options, number 2, the design of the city resembles the architecture of Islamic countries. It means that the design of the city looks like the architecture of Islamic countries. Other options like city has very religious people, the planning is Islamic in nature, all the buildings look like mosque, all are incorrect. Number 2 is the correct one. It actually represents the architecture of Islamic countries. So this is the correct one. Then number O. Dash is something that we pass on to our future generations. Option number 3 is the correct one, heritage. Then number P. How was Shat Gambuj Mosque acclaimed? Acclaimed means to get the recognition, স্বীকৃতি পাওয়া। কিভাবে আসলে ষাট গম্বুজ মস্কটি বা মসজিদ স্বীকৃতি পেল, একটা বিশ্বজনীন স্বীকৃতি পেল, সেটা কিভাবে পেয়েছিল? ইউনেস্কো সেই স্বীকৃতি দিয়েছিল। সো দ্য কারেক্ট অপশন নাম্বার 2 ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট ওয়ান, by becoming a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Then number Q. The breadth of the arches is 6 feet. From the reading we know the answer. Then last one, number R. Why were the arched doorways of the prayer hall set? Option number 4, to aerate the hall. We know aerate means to supply with oxygen or air. Why did the arched doorways make, or why were they created? Actually, the arched doorways were created to make the room comfortable. That means the air can pass through the room and light can also enter into the hall. That's why the correct option is number 4, to aerate the hall is the correct answer. Now the solution of the question answer. Question number 1. Who was the founder of Khalifatabad? Khan Jahan Ali, a great-hearted Muslim colonizer, was the founder of Khalifatabad. He founded a Muslim colony at the outskirts of Bagherhat town. Number 2. Why was the mosque called Shat Gambuj Mosque? The multi-domed mosque was known as the Shat Gambuj Mosque because It has 60 pillars that support the roof with 77 low-height domes. Question number 3. What makes the mosque unique? The interior decoration of the mosque and its construction dazzle one's eyes. It has 60 pillars that support roof with 77 low-height domes. The 4 towers at 4 corners have smaller domes on the roof as well. All these make the mosque unique. Question number 4. In total, how many domes are there at the top of the mosque? There are actually 81 domes at the top of the mosque. It has 77 low-height domes and the 4 towers have 4 smaller domes which make 81 domes. Question number 5 and the last one. How did Khan Jahan decorate the historic mosque city? The city in which the Shat Gambuj Mosque is situated is known as the Mosque City. It is called so because there are many mosques in this city. Khan Jahan decorated the city with a network of roads, bridges, public buildings, reservoirs, numerous mosques, etc. That's all for today. Thank you, my dear students, to watch my lecture. Till my next lecture, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.